Now the next exercise is Mettez les verbes entre parenthèses or Passé Récent. So now we are going to put the verbs that are in the brackets in the Passé Récent. So this is similar to the previous exercise. The only thing is here they have given us the verb. The verb is not in the sentence. They have given us the verb separately. We are going to put these verbs in the Passé Récent. So for the first sentence, nous, the verb given is voir. La flemme de rien pour un roi. So now we begin the sentence. Nous. The verb given is voir. So what is the form for Passé Récent? Venir plus the infinitive of the verb. So the venir conjugation for nous it is venons. Venons plus the infinitive of the verb voir. Nous venons de voir le film de pour un roi. So what did we do here? We wrote the verb that is given to us, that is voir, in the Passé Récent. It was venons de voir. Venons because the subject is nous. Moving on to the next sentence. Je. The verb is faire une omelette au fromage. Now, je, and the verb is faire. The venir conjugation for je is viens. Je viens plus the infinitive. So in this case, all the verbs are given in the infinitive form. So you can write it as it is. You only have to conjugate venir. So this is making it more simple. Je viens de faire une omelette au fromage. So you only have to replace the verb. The sentence remains as such. The next sentence, elle. The verb is acheter une nouvelle robe rouge. Now, the subject is elle. So for Passé Récent, venir conjugation for elle is viens plus the infinitive of the verb. It is given in the infinitive form. Acheter. Elle vient de acheter une nouvelle robe rouge. Une nouvelle robe rouge. The next sentence, Patrice. The verb given is perdre mon stylo bleu. Now, Patrice. So this subject is third person singular. So the Passé Récent venir. So for third person singular, the venir conjugation is vient. Patrice vient plus the verb in the infinitive. Here it is already given in the infinitive form. And then the rest of the sentence. Patrice vient de perdre mon stylo bleu. So this is how we write Passé Récent. It is a very simple tense. All we have to do is identify the verb. In this case, the verb is given to us in the brackets. We have to replace the given verb with the Passé Récent, which is the venir conjugation for that particular subject plus the infinitive of the given verb. So this is all you have to remember. Passé récent is used to explain events that have taken place in the recent past. So this is also a form of past tense, but it is the recent past. So now that we know all the tenses, that is the passé composé, passé récent, we know imparfait, and we know present tense as well. So we are going to use these to explain some events.